Hey guys, so today we see how to draw a standing pose for fashion design. So on the left, the reference pictures with the model look, and on the right, my fashion sketch that we are going to draw together, and we see the different steps. So as you can see, the reference pictures is for fashion design, and something that is very typical for it is to have very long legs. So we are going to take this as a reference pictures, but I like to draw it with my own style. So the first thing that I like to do is to start with the head. So as you could see, I started with a sphere and I draw a very quick Loomis techniques and draw the lips only. I don't go too much into the details. I just want to have a little bit of mood of it from the femininity of my sketch. This is like some lines that I use also to give some direction for the torso. And then I have the main position from the spine, I would say. And this is what is going to help me to guide along the postures of my model. And the cool things that we do in fashion design is to exaggerate the postures. Like you can see all the curves is super exaggerated to make it super feminine and dynamic as well. This is what is going to be a perfect template layout for your clothing's fashion design to show all the curves of your clothes and to make them more attractive. So for now, we are drawing this template as a postures, and later on at the end, we are going to quickly draw a simple design of dress on top of it, where you could draw yourself your own design of dress of your choice. So the benefit of this, of creating that template, is that you can reuse it as many times as you want. So as you could see, when I draw this model, I like to draw the limbs with some straight lines, like the bones, give it some direction, and then I build the flesh, the muscle around it. Always remember the rules of general to details. I never start with some details first, because then the proportion of the overall postures may just go wrong. So always remember to draw with the direction of the spine first, with the main torso, the arms with some very long sticks to draw the postures. I like to draw the articulation with some ellipses. This line here is going to help me to draw with the good balance, as you can see on the right, to have the posture, making sure that we feel that she's stable on the ground. Like one of the common mistakes, if you don't check your balance of your character, of your model, it may feel awkward, like she's kind of floating in the air. So remember to draw that vertical line that is going to help you to fix the stability of your postures. So I also like to draw very long legs, and the particularity when I draw models, I quite like make them very athletic. That's a personal choice. You can make it as more thin, as well as like on the left model. It's really up to you. As long as your shape, as your structure is correct, then you can really personalize the drawing style that you want. I make it a little bit slimmer, to make it less masculine, I would say. I like to add these contour lines all around that help me to better visualize. Here we go. And see, I build up around the lines that I draw for the arms. Same reference pictures, I can draw multiple versions. Like the middle one is a manga model sketch. The right one is the fashion model sketch that we are drawing right now. So you can add some difference of subtleties, like the manga, the head is a little bit bigger, and so on. Now I'm drawing the head, and see, I'm drawing some tiny cylinders for the fingers. That's what is going to help you to better visualize the position of the fingers. They compose each fingers in tiny cylinders. Okay. Now I like to refine. Something that the reference model don't do is to draw the ribs. I quite like to draw the cage ribs that add more volumes to the model. You see the contour line right here that is helping me to better visualize in 3-dimension the model. So take your time as soon as you got a pretty nice pose, when is a stage to draw the details is more relaxing. Okay, the critical moment was just before, when it felt like we were drawing the main pose, and now I'm already trying to refine it. So when you start, don't be too perfectionist, just try to get it correctly and then you refine. So now time to draw the nose and the little eyes right here. Here we go. So it's really going to give you a lot more freedom when you will be able to draw multiple postures. I invite you to take some reference pictures from different poses that you can find on Pinterest. Or if you want to study further the different poses of fashion model, you can learn from the book The Ninth Heads from Nancy Riegelman, who is a teacher as well. I had the chance to meet her at FIDM, the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising in Los Angeles, when I used to study there for summertime. So now we got the template of our model, and let's add up some bit of details, like here I'm drawing the hairs. And a good trick that I highly recommend you to do is to create a new layer. So you separate the layer. There's one layer for the template, then you add a new layer on the software to add the details. So whenever you do a mistake, you need to erase. You are not going to affect your template, okay? And you will be able also to draw as many hairstyles, as many dresses as you want for following the same template. So you can create like a folder in your own library of template of different poses that you can reuse anytime whenever like you want to create new clothes, okay? So now I have a hairstyle. And now it's time to draw a simple design of dress right here that I'm drawing on top of the template. If I didn't have this template, that would be quite impossible to draw that dress, okay? Because my brain won't be able to really understand the shape of the body in 3 dimensions, how the curves of the dress is falling on the body, and so on. So remember to do like this. You draw the model first, and then you draw the clothes on top of it. All right. So now it's time to hide the clothes by itself, the body that is below the dress. I created an intermediate layer where I paint in white. So I'm not erasing my template. I'm adding white color in between the template and the dress, so it feels like the dress is basically white color. Okay, so I didn't affect it at all, the template below. That's the power of layers. All right, here we go. So you can choose to draw any design of your choice. And now I add a bit of hatching for the layer that is inside of the dress to add more contrast. A bit more of movement. Just slightly, no need to do too much. Here we go. So that's the final result right here. From the left, the reference, and on the right, my own design. So feel free to make a try. Go on Pinterest, choose a model of your choice, and try to replicate what you see, and try to understand in 3 dimensions the different forms. All right? Okay. So that's it. So I see you on the blog for more tutorials, and I see you for the next one. Bye-bye.